Hi, I will start with some words and their examples. So I am going to start with very first words. Let's take famous. Famous. He is very famous. She is very famous. He is very famous. She is very famous. Then let's take both. They both are very good persons. They both are very good persons. Also, very first words that I am going to take about is handsome. Handsome. He is handsome. He is handsome. Very first word I am going to take is intelligent. Intelligent. He is an intelligent person. He is an intelligent person. First, I want to tell you that I see vlogs too these days. I will start with some words pronunciation and then I will give some of the examples of the same words. Magical, magical. Mexican, Mexican. Mindfully, mindfully. Discipline, discipline. Diet, diet. Mathematics, mathematics. Chemical reaction, chemical reaction. Equation, equation. Sympathy, sympathy. Empathy, empathy. Telepathy, telepathy. Now let's know some of the examples of the words. He has magical skills. He has magical skills. Give the examination mindfully. Give the examination mindfully. Mathematics is a good subject. Mathematics is a good subject. Chemical reactions are observed in laboratory. Chemical reactions are observed in laboratory. This equation is correct. This equation is correct. That is good for weight loss. That is good for weight loss. Discipline is a good trait. Discipline is a good trait. Acquire, it means to get. He acquires knowledge through seeing various YouTube channels. Attempt, he cleared the bank examination in second attempt. Convince, I convinced my sister to visit institute with me. Console, I console my friend and tell not to cry. Publish, his book has published. Mention, I will mention the top 10 list on board. Or I will mention the top 10 list. Help, he helped me a lot. Sanya, come here, sit with me. Swati, no, rather you come here and sit with me. Shun products shopping. A, let us show some of the good products. B, yes, to me too. A, okay, now I am selecting this product. B, I am selecting this product out of these all products. A, pack all these products. B, for me too. B, we will show our new products to all after reaching home. A, yes, that's all right.
Exercise now 2 questions from these conversations. What did B say to A at end? Do you agree with it? What was Sanya and Swati talking about? If my approach is positive, I can do it. Thanks for watching, and that's it for my this video. See you soon.